Okay, so we're supposed to look to see if something has a maximum or a minimum value. And so if you can't tell, like typically what you can do is you can just look at what is being multiplied in front of my quantity squared or in front of my two parentheses that are being multiplied together. And if that's a positive, then that means that A is going to be bigger than 0. And if that's a negative, then that means it's going to be less than 0. So, but we will actually need to multiply this out. I didn't really leave myself very much room. I guess it'll be okay. We'll write small. So I have x, oops, just kidding, x minus 2 and x minus 2. So x squared minus 2x plus 4. So I have 8 minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. And that's equal to g of x. So then g of x, 8 minus x squared plus 4x minus 4. So then g of x is equal to negative x squared plus 4x and plus 4. So it is a maximum value because A is less than 0. And then I need to find the maximum or the minimum value. So x is equal to negative b over 2a. So negative 4 over 2 times negative 1. So I get 2. So x is equal to 2. So then y is equal to negative of 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 4. So y is equal to negative 4 plus 8 plus 4. Just kidding. So y is equal to 4 plus 4, which is 8. So when I'm looking for the maximum or minimum, I'm actually looking for the y value. So the maximum value is 8. Okay, that's 4. There's 5. There's 6. Okay, rectangle has a perimeter of 80 centimeters. If its width is x, so that makes that side is x. And this is 80 minus 2x divided by 2, because there's two sides here. So this is also 80 minus 2x divided by 2. So I want the maximum area. So area is equal to length times width. So area is 80x minus 2x squared over 2. So area is 80x over 2 minus 2x squared over 2. So then area is equal to, we'll move the x squared to the front. So that's a negative x squared plus 40x. So now x is equal to negative b over 2a. So negative 40 over 2 times negative 1. So that's 40 over 2, which is equal to 20. So if the x is 20, then the other side is 80 minus 2 times 20 over 2. So that's 80 minus 40 over 2, which is 40 over 2, which is also 20. So then the area, maximum area, is 20 times 20, which is equal to 400. So the maximum area is 400 centimeters squared. Okay. 10. And then the next section. Oh, okay. So after how many seconds does the ball hit the ground? So I want to set my height equal to 0. So this is part A. 0 is equal to 30t minus 5t squared. Got a lot of random like dots all over the place. Let's try this again. Looks like I got polka dots everywhere. So 0 is equal to 30t minus 5t squared. So 0 is equal to, let's pull out a negative 5t. So then I'm left with a t and a -6. So then t -5t is equal to 0, and t -6 is equal to 0. So t is 0 and t is 6. So part A is 6 seconds. And then part B, how high does the ball go? That's my maximum height. So part B is x is equal to -b over 2a. -30 over 2 times -5. So -30 over -10, which is 3. So x is equal to 3. So my height is equal to 30 times 3 minus 5 times 3 squared. So that is 90 minus 5 times 9. So that's 90 minus 45. Oh my gosh. Which is 45. So B is 45 meters. Okay. Oh, I did 9 instead of 10. Well, that's poopy. It's the same idea, though. That's sad. Factor out a -5, so I get t squared minus 5t minus 30. -5 on the top, -30 on the bottom. No, not -30. Just kidding. Shh. -6. +6. Oh, no, -6. I'm okay. Oh my gosh. It's been a long day. Okay, so -5 on the top, -6 on the bottom, so -6 and 1. So 0 is equal to -5, t minus 6, t plus 1. So t is -1 and 6. So this is 6 seconds. You get a bonus track by me doing number 9. Okay, how high does the ball go? I can go ahead and use my factored form if I really wanted to. So x is equal to -b over 2a. So that is negative of -5 over 2 times 1. So that's 5 halves. So would have been nicer if I had to do 9 instead of 10. You guys are lucky. Okay, 30. Oh my goodness. 30 plus 25 times 5 halves minus 5 times 5 halves squared. So that is 30 plus 125 over 2 minus 125 over 4. So that's 30 plus 125 times 2, 250. Oh my goodness. 250 over 4 minus 125 over 4. So that is 120 over 4 plus 250 over 4 minus 125 over 4. So that is 120, 370 over 4 minus 125 over 4. 245. So the maximum height is 250. Nope. 245. Oh my goodness. Over 4. Okay, let's try this again. 245. Can't even write tonight. 245 over 4 meters. And then we'll just erase our arithmetic on the side. Okay. And that is it for every other even.